Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anand from Indian Coaching Guru, and in continuation to the previous video of An Academy, today I am at Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, the another branch of Karnataka. So we have a team of teachers. I welcome you all there, and today we will try to solve the problem of the student, how to go ahead, what to focus, where not to focus. So first we will go with the introduction, and then we'll ask some questions. So we'll definitely help the students as well as the parents to take a sound decision. So shall we go ahead, ma'am? Thank you. So first we will start the introduction part from the ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Hi, hello everyone. Myself Akila. I'm working as a botany educator with an academy.
Great,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, please.
Hello sir, myself Suprita Janwarkatte. I am working as a zoology educator in an academy.
Hello everyone, this is Harshika Vats. I am a chemistry educator and I handle the academic part over here.
Hello everyone, myself Onkachan Sharma and I teach physics for J Mains and NEET.
As a teacher, you are the backbone of any coaching institute, school, colleges and all. So my first questions regarding An Academy, what is the teaching methodology you have in An Academy, ma'am?
See, let me first decode Unacademy. Unacademy means unlearning. Unlearning the conventional ways, the old ways, and learning the new ways. See, as a person, you have to keep on evolving. As a teacher also, you have to keep on evolving. So until I evolve, my students can never evolve. That is why Unacademy doesn't call their teacher as teacher, rather we are called as educator. What is educator and what is a teacher? A teacher teaches you in the class. An educator educates you inside and outside the classroom. We don't only focus on physical education. That is one part of education. But other two education plays the most important role in any competitive part, that is mental and emotional education. When I am giving the 3 hours paper, I know this is my final paper. My hands are shaking. I am unable to think. There no physical education. I will not remember the formulas. At that time, emotional and mental education works. That is why we help the students in that part crucially. Now let me introduce the classroom sessions.
Yes.
See, the classroom sessions are very simple. We are open all 7 days, but classes runs only 6 days a week, including 5 days classroom sessions, and 1 day will be typically doubt and numerical session. It doesn't mean that you cannot take doubts the other 5 days. It will be, but it will be particularly subject wise. For example, Monday can be a physics doubt day, and Tuesday can be chemistry. And if time permits, if the other teachers are available, you can also go ahead with the other doubts, right? Now classrooms and everything is done. We should move
Testing
yes,
system.
testing. How do we conduct test? How do we run the test? See, it's very simple. Today I taught you a topic. In 1 week I have covered certain topics. In other week also I have covered certain topics. Obviously in a week I cannot complete everything. So let's say 1.5 week, whatever we have learned, there will be a test for that. A part test, which we call it as minor test. So after every 3 minor tests which are conducted on successive Sundays, there will be one major test which has the part of minor test 1, minor test 2, minor test 3 for major test. So it's like a revision test. First you give part test and then you are giving the whole together test.
Right.
Then again the series keep on going on.
Right.
Now, by that time, you would have forgotten minor test 1. So for that, we have a UAITS series, which is All India Unacademy Test Series, which help you with the revision part.
My second question is like, what is the support system after the class you provide to the students? How to answer now?
So if you go through the support system during our teaching methodology is such a way that class itself all the doubts we are clearing, but still few students are joining very early, day one. Few students are joined later
Yes.
period of the class. Some students are there, they won't ask any doubts in the class.
Shy
So where
nature.
shy nature students are there, little introvert
Some
are
of
there.
them coming very
So
first time
and
coaching,
so that they won't
also
ask.
hesitate to
Yes,
ask
yes,
like,
yes, sir.
how do you?
So I wanted to answer this in the point wise. Few like in the class itself, I will we are watching those students by seeing their face, voice, variation in the eye, body language and all. So randomly we are asking doubts in the class itself. This is the first way of checking whether they understood or not.
Oh, very
So another way, we have the dedicated doubt session every day after the class. So there, for all the students who have doubt, we are calling them, and either by logical learn teaching, or by flow chart, or by using mnemonics, different way we will make them particular concept easy. Still, few students are there, they won't ask doubts in the group, and for them is effective way of learning is one-on-one doubt session. For those students, we will ask like we will call them separately. We will take first confident, and we are make them confident to ask everything with us, and we will solve their doubt one by one, and slow way, effective way, what way can reaching them easily, effectively, we will solve. And
Right.
sometimes students are solving doubts in the home while solving question paper, or some keyword they will miss. They wanted to continue reading same content, and we have the opportunity to ask all the platform. We have the Telegram doubt session, sometimes broadcast doubts, like in the WhatsApp itself they will ask doubt. Sometimes we are answering voice message. So this is the third step, you have doubt, na, this way you continue like that.
Very good.
So that while reading, every second they have to feel like teachers are there with us.
Very
So-
good, very
so
good,
that
very
way we are focusing on.
Impressive,
Yes.
impressive, ma'am. So like third question is again very vital questions. How to cope up the competitive classes with school study?
In the beginning only we motivate the students, or like we make them understand ki there is no separate thing, like you are going to school and learning something and then coming to coaching and learning some other thing. Both of the way they are covering the same topic only thing is the effort, or like the way they prepare for it is different. For the school wala part, they have to like little stretch and write, like
Right.
the point wise, both kind of preparation. But for competitive though, we require some line to line understanding, and then like how to attend the MCQs, how to attend like assertion reason type of question. So that is what is getting covered in the competitive part. So we ask them ki like they are not separate, they are all the same concept, where you put things differently.
Additionally, I want to add a point over here, sir. Ki whatever ma'am told, ki when we prepare for competitive part, it is no different.
Right.
But specifically in Unacademy, we have one more very good program over here. Not a program, but it is a flexible system for the students.
Right.
So we have here regional curated system, which is like, ki for example, I belong to Karnataka. I am teaching here. So I know the students' mindset here. At what time do they get free?
Yes.
So some students get free from their college by 5 o'clock, let's say.
Oh.
So at what time will they reach at the center? 5:30 or 6,
5:30. And that
right?
will be very hectic.
Correct,
Yes.
correct, sir. It is very hectic. So what do? We have a special flexible
mechanism.
system. Yes, the whole system is made in such a way that we add all the holidays, all the pre-board dates, all the test dates, whatever is going to be there in the college, and accordingly we make the whole pattern so that it is suitable for the students. So it is very flexible, very effective, and I think it helps them understand both their board part as well as the competitive part, and they love coming here. That is
Very
why.
good, very
Yes.
good, ma'am. So like another question that is also very important, like towards the success of a student. There are three pillars I understand. One is faculty, of course, you people. One is their parents, and one himself is the students. So the synchronization among all these three is very important. So like as an institute, as a tutor, how you make them synchronize in a platform? What is the effort? How you do that?
I think it is a very important, scenario where we are, but I will quote in this thing: educator, parent, and a student. It is a triangle where a educator is acting a connecting dot between parent and student.
Yes.
Let me tell you one important thing over here. As a educator, I am observing my student for the most crucial 6 hours.
Right, sir.
6 to 7 hours on an average, where I am seeing how is his pattern of learning, what is his exact way of asking the doubts.
Yes.
Sometimes maybe he is more introvert related to talking to his parent, but
Yes.
at the same time maybe he is more comfortable to talk about some topics with
Yes.
me. But thing is that other 17, 16 hours he is spending with his parents also.
Yes, yes, true.
So it's very crucial his parents should also know what exactly is the pattern of learning of my child is there.
But you want ki parents should be involved, like
Totally
just
involved.
not in teaching, just to watch like what he is doing.
What
and
exactly he is-
that should be explained to the teachers also,
Yes.
like that.
So
would be
I
good.
think in an academy, what we are doing over here, there are special parents teacher meeting.
Okay.
Along with them, there are some several pattern of communication where what we do. Suppose if any exam pattern is there, a student is not able to perform better.
Yes,
First of all, we'll have a individual one-to-one communication with the student.
very good.
Why he is not able to perform better.
Yes.
But at the same time, I think parents should also know, and we should also know what exactly his student is doing at those 16 to 17 hours at the
Yes,
home.
yes, true, true.
So I think it's very crucial
Very good.
that parents should know what exactly a student is facing problem.
Yes.
Also at the same time, maybe parents are also facing some issue.
Very good.
So there should be proper communication, and that's where an educator acts a connecting dot
Right, right.
between
So
the two.
communication you want to say that is the will play
Yes,
the
and it
important
should be
role.
very,
it
you
should
know,
be
like-
crystal clear among what all three we are doing, right?
All the
That's
three
good.
channel must be connected all together.
Very good,
in a
very
proper
good. Okay. So the last question, you want to add something? Ma'am? Yeah, please.
We are the mentor and we have to focus on their care.
Yes.
That care is, they have to feel this teacher is caring. When, even though in the group teaching she is focusing on individually, they have to feel that intense feeling. Once they got na, that trust they got na, they will talk everything. Today something mistake that done also, if we are not asking why you scored less also, they won't.
Like
They will
personal connection you are talking.
immediately after the test they are coming. Immediately test after the test they are coming. Ma'am, sorry, this I done because I went here, I went there, or I'm not focused at this time, so I taken leave. I'm not attended test. Something we have to give space for that.
Right, right.
So that is important. Along with that, admission time, the non-teaching staff or some counselors are taking their admission. So as a teacher, as a mentor, so we have to talk with the parents first.
Yes.
How is their study history and how he is in the home. And that is very important.
How
Yes,
disciplined
yes.
he is.
How
they
disciplined
follow.
he is. What is the main
True.
drawback he is facing. What you have observed. If we done this thing beginning, so parents also feeling that okay, I am in the right place.
No, right,
And
right. True,
students,
very
we are
true, ma'am.
finding out this thing and mentioning their weakness point or plus point. Okay, I just came 1 month before, she know many things about me.
Very good,
I am in the right place.
Right.
Once they feel that, definitely they won't take they won't take U-turn and all. They will be more exposing,
Confident.
more exposing.
Yes, exactly,
Everything
exactly.
they will share.
True, ma'am.
Because this share and care between the students and teachers and between the parents and teacher is very
Yes,
important.
yes.
That care only and that share only can create 3 dots, I feel.
Yes, exactly. Very true, very true. And the last questions, like, although you're putting so much of efforts, not leaving any stone unturned. So the last question is, as a teacher, what is your suggestions toward the success of a student? How they can get, success? What is the role, like being at home? What the role they should follow while being in the institute, or any other point you wanted to add? Please, over to you.
See, competitive exam is something which requires not just knowledge of the subject. It is something that is making sure you have that what we call a momentum thing that carry how you carry yourself. Sometime I have seen a student who is preparing very good in a complete year, but still he is not performing in that competitive exam at that day particular. So, like over here, if we see what are, as ma'am already discussed, physical, mental, and emotional well-being. All the three things are very, very important. So, if we call success is a very far word philosophically, if I say. But still, for a competitive point of view, very important thing is discipline, consistency, and whatever your teacher are telling you, whatever your educator are telling you, please make sure that you follow that.
Right. True.
Whatever you have done in the classroom, 1.5 hour session, even if you go home, first of all go open that notebook, whatever have been done, you please make sure that you write down it everything in an order. You understand what have been taught, what have been left, and what exactly I didn't understand.
Right.
Same thing you should put it in the next day in front of teacher.
Very good. Very good.
So this is one important thing. Other than this, what I will tell you, see, thing is that you have studied 1.5 hour that subject. Now you are going home, you should put at least 1.5 hour, at least 2 hours for the same subject at your own only.
Very
Because you 6 hour, other than 6 hour, 18 hour you have. Suppose 6 hour you are taking for your sleeping pattern also, and 2 hour for additional. Then at least you still should put 6 to 7 hours in your study at all, at your own only. And it is not just about cracking the exam.
Yes.
As we are discussing about the success.
Yes, yes.
So means success is something, once you have a very good knowledge about a particular subject, you can perform anything better in your life. Because as we know, knowledge is never in vain.
Yes.
It is always going to put something beauty only into your
Yes. True.
like learning.
Very true, sir. Very true.
So consistency, being disciplinary. At the same time, this one thing I think students should have, that is, gratitude. While learning, don't get feel ki okay, I'm learning this thing in a very easy order, that means it is easy only.
Oh.
Sometimes it's very important that there are, see, knowledge is a ocean, vast ocean,
Right.
where you are just a small fish and there are large sharks all around.
Yes. Yes.
And then even if you learn, even if you want to learn, still ocean cannot be totally covered.
Yes, you cannot learn.
You cannot learn everything. So make sure that you are very grounded with your learnings and you continue that learning for the complete year.
True.
And testing, one important thing is that whenever you are giving exams, make sure if you are getting lesser marks, you should not be demotivated. At the same time, if you are getting good marks, make sure what are the
Confident.
what are the more things I can do more better, so that I can be performing much better than that.
Very good. Very good.
So these all things, if I conclude, disciplinary, consistency, having gratitude, listening to your teachers, and along with that, having a very proper order of learning and a connection with your educator. That's very, very important for being in success.
Very important and valid points, and to the points you have mentioned, and this is not very new. Every day I think you must be telling this to students. This is going to definitely help the students as well as the parents who are having doubts regarding the joining of coaching institute, how to study and how to get success, how to get good marks and all. Definitely. Anything else you wanted to add?
One line. It is your attitude which makes you a doctor or engineer or a topper.
Yes.
Toppers are never made with the books. They're made with the mindset.
Exactly.
So when you have the right mindset, not just the confidence of education, but the confidence of right education in your attitude. And that is always developed with the positivity of becoming the topper.
Right.
And that's when you become a topper. So all the very best for your preparation. And let's crack it together. Thank you.
And thank you very much, ma'am, sirs, for being
Thank you,
part
sir.
of this
Thank you so
discussion.
much,
I
sir.
think this is very, very important points we have discussed, and definitely it is going to solve most of the problem of the students before they have apprehensions before joining the coaching institute, how to tackle all these things. So thank you very much,
Thank you so
An
much, sir.
Academy team,
Thank
for joining us on this conversation.
Thank
We
you.
wish you very good luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.